must be having at least 15 to 10 grams of protein, a big orange, or just this cookie, which will fill you up more if you're trying to lose weight. Bringing food and fitness together, there's no food that is off limits. Hi guys, welcome back to a YouTube channel. So today we are at Nick Baker's Defense Colony, and you must be wondering why I'm having these cheesecakes. One is Lotus Biscoff cheesecake and one is brownie cheesecake. First of all, I'm a big sucker for cheesecake. I love cheesecakes. But the reason why I'm having this currently is because after this I'm hitting the gym. It's around 8:30 and I hit the gym generally at 9 p.m. Now desserts or anything sweet is a good option to have pre-workout. I'm not saying this is something you should have every day. Now you can also go for the basic fruits such as a banana and apple, but today was something I wanted to have something special, and what better time other than pre-workout to have your favorite dessert. Now you must be saying you should have a protein or something as well. Technically both these cheesecakes must be having at least 15 to 10 grams of protein because it's a dairy product, but having said that, both of these will also have around 800 calories or so, each piece being around 300 to 400 calories. So yeah, if you count technically, the protein content is not even 10%, you can say, of the total calories, because 1 gram of protein contains 4 calories. So even if it's 15 grams of protein combined in both, which is the case because getting more than 7 to 8 grams of protein per cheesecake is difficult. So if you do the math, you can see that 15 grams of protein multiplied by 4, 60 calories. And let's assume each cheesecake is around 350 calories. That means 700 calories for both. So 10% of 700 is 70, and protein content is hardly 60. So it's not even 10%. But if you have extra calories to spare and you have someone to share, you can of course go with a dessert. And a coffee is also on the way. I do not need to explain why you need to have a coffee before workout. It's caffeine, it boosts your energy, and it will give you the kick that you need before a workout. So of course, if you have extra calories to spare, or if you love sweets a lot, then pre-workout is a good option. Even post-workout is a good option, but then most people would be having a solid meal or eggs or something like that after workout. Basic cappuccino. You can always go for a slim milk option. Honestly, I forgot mentioning the slim milk, but if you're on a strict diet, go for slim milk. Avoid full cream milk. By choosing slim milk, you'll be cutting down calories in half. So you have the option of choosing brown sugar, white sugar, and sugar free. And no, brown sugar isn't healthier than white sugar. It just contains some trace minerals and is marginally lower in calories, which makes no difference to your fat loss journey. If you really want to lose weight, then go with a sugar free, just like I'll be going, or have your coffee as it is. And if you want to save further on calories, go for a black coffee. And if you have extra calories to spare, you can of course go with a hazelnut cappuccino or cafe latte, or something of that sorts, which is really rich in sugar. And here's a cookie as well that they have given. This single cookie is 50 calories easily, and when you compare it to something as a low calorie fruit such as an orange, even an orange contains lower calories than this. So just choose for yourself a big orange or just this cookie, which will fill you up more if you're trying to lose weight. Of course, if you're trying to gain weight, this can be a better option, provided you are consuming enough vitamins and minerals throughout the day. So enough of the science, now let's dig in. First is Lotus Biscoff, which is my favorite currently. The cheese is very soft here. It's not fully baked, I guess. It's mascarpone, not Philadelphia, you can say. But it's superb. The cheese is mixed. You cannot see, but even the cheese frosting contains some sort of Biscoff flavor or cinnamony flavor. Now let's try this brownie cheesecake. This one is a thick one, like I wanted. This is soft. I like the baked version. If you love soft cheesecakes, go for this one, which melts in your mouth. But if you someone like me who likes enjoying the desserts to the fullest, taking time to indulge in each dessert, then go for this one. As you can see, this is so thick. Whereas this one just melts away. So guys, if you like the video, please do not forget to give it a like. Comment down below your feedback if you like what we are doing, bringing food and fitness together. There's no food that is off limits. Do share this video with a friend who's a big time foodie, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We continue to put out content like this, bringing food and fitness together. Thank you so much for watching.